this video is for TikTok, especially. Does it mean that your artificial intelligence don't know how to pronounce Igbo? Majority of my videos I posted on your platform where you choose to auto-translate, give them the names you like. Each time you get to where I mention Igbo, you always change it to something else. Is this an intentional act? Does it mean that your artificial intelligence don't know how to pronounce Igbo, or that you have been compromised? Tell me reason why you always change Igbo to something else without even my permission. And I have never asked to auto-translate my video for me. You've chosen on your own to auto-translate those languages I use in my videos. Then why are you getting that tribe very wrong? Are you being paid to do this? Is it part of the propaganda or an agenda? Is it part of the war? But the areas I mention Yoruba, you pronounce Yoruba very correctly. Anywhere I mention Hausa or any other tribe or any other language I mention, even the ones that you're not supposed to hear very well, you heard them very well, you translate them very well. But each time I say Igbo, whenever I mention Igbo man or Igbo tribe, you change it to any name you like. I'm asking you why. And I'm calling on my other fellow Igbo people to join me and ask you that same questions, because we demand answer to this question. It is paining me so hard. It is not one, it is not two, it is not three.